tulip flowers on stick. Paper required: craft paper, square size, like this will get from the market. We will cut into small pieces. For making the flowers. First we will take the paper, fold from the triangle shape. First fold, and the second fold we will from the center we will fold. After that we will divide the line from here like this, and the other side like this, and we will take the gum and stick it. Put some gum inside also. Stick the flower. This is first we have made the flowers. This is a square paper. Fold the paper from the center, triangle shape. Again the paper, second fold. The first fold, the second fold, and we will divide it from the center. Like this, and the other side also like this. We will fold the paper. We will make the tulip flower. This is we have made the flower, this one, and put some gum inside. Let it dry first, and we will make the stick now. We will take the green papers. We will take the square shape, and we will take the broomstick. Or pencil to fold the paper like this. We will fold the paper. Now see here. Like this we will fold the paper, and we will take out the stick, and we will for more thin. Like this will make paper more thick and stick. We will take the gum and stick it in the end. First stick. Again we will take the paper. Again we will fold the paper. See, we will keep the corner in the corner. Like this, and we will keep on the table or the hard copy. Like this we will fold the paper and after this we will take out the stick. And again we will take the paper and we will fold paper like this until paper will become more thin. In the last corner is the tip of the corner, edge of the paper. This one we will put the gum and stick the paper. And here we will press little one side, same is the other side. We will press, see, like this. We will press, and we will put the gum here on the other paper also, and we will take this flower and stick on this paper, pipe one, and let it dry. Put something on it. Like this. We will press it. The other also will paste like this on the stick. Now we will cut the leaf. So we will take the leaf and fold it from the center. Fold it from the center like this. We will fold. See the thickness, no more thick, only 1 centimeter is there. 1 centimeter. We will cut the paper like this. See, like this we will make the mark on the paper, and we will take the scissor and we will cut the paper. See, like this we will cut the paper, and we will get the papers like this, and we make the paper like this. See, we will make the paper, fold the paper like this. Some will stick on this one. Same on the other also. After this, we will take the stick and put some gum on the center. Like this, we'll put the gum, and we will stick here on the side. Like this, below the flower. Below the flower, we will stick the leaves. Some up and some one down. And leave it for dry for few minutes. Use the Fevicol to stick the papers. It will stick quickly, and the flower. Like this, we will stick the leaves and let it dry. See the leaves, we will open the leaves like this. When the paper will stick, we will open the leaves like this. Now see here, we will open the leaves like this, and we will take any bottle or vase. We will put the flowers inside like this. We will open the leaves like this, and we will make the flowers and put it in the vase, or on the paper you can stick like this. Cut the paper in the strips, make a bow, and this is the A4 size paper. Put the strip to make the paper hard, and give the loop on the back side for hang the paper. Like this, we will make the tulip flower on the stick, or you can hang on the wall. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.